Trent is something I want to quickly put the spotlight on. Numbers came in towards the fag end of the session yesterday. Mangalam is here with more. Mangalam.
Numbers came in at the fag end. The presentation came in much after that, so which is why there were a couple of internals from there. The first one is that the fashion portfolio like-for-like growth has been mid-single digits. A lot of people would call that disappointing, but importantly, the company said the appropriate strategy is now to pursue revenue growth across micro markets versus just the stores, because the store density is increasing. So overall revenue growth is important to track. The other growth drivers, beauty, personal care, innerwear as well as footwear, are now 20% of their overall sales. And online, they've been fairly mindful of their online expansion because of the profitability. That contributes about 6% to West Side sales. The key number for me was, however, Star Bazaar, where the revenues grew from 735 crores to 857 crores quarter on quarter. Like-for-like growth at 2% out there. But importantly, contribution from own brands for Star Bazaar came in at 70%. That's margin accretive, so that's a positive. The stock has fallen about 35% from highs, trading at around 72 times. But remember, the peak was close to around 111 times itself. Brokerages. Morgan Stanley has an overweight call, target of 63.59. They're saying that gross margin compression implies some inventory write-off. Jefferies as a whole call, they've raised their target to 5,900 rupees. They expect 35% compounding in standalone revenue over the next 3 years. So we'll keep an eye out on Trent today. Saw some short covering in yesterday's trading session. The question is, does it continue today?